Okay, Red Mendoza here with Dispatches, and we are bringing to you a breaking report live from the SMS Convention Center dito sa Mall of Asia Complex dito sa Pasay City. And katatapos lang ng second day ng Cosplay Matsuri 2025, and as you can see, ito na yung stage, tapos na yung stage, tapos na yung activities, pero yung mga bentahan tuloy pa, marami pang tao dito, so tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung bentahan ng mga pagkain dito and items. So nothing, of course, as we have reported earlier sa ating website, we reported na na-launch na ng Cosplay.ph yung kanilang event series for 2026. It all begins in March with Cosplay Carnival, of course, Hall 1 and 2, and of course, we expect that this Cosplay Carnival will also be an event kung saan magkakaroon ng jam concert din. So please wait for further announcements. We will be breaking that when it happens dito sa Dispatches. And of course, after ACX, we have FanFest scheduled in May, and we also have yung Anime and Cosplay Expo in July, and then the Big Kahuna Cosplay Mania on the first weekend of October 2 to 4, 2026, and Cosplay Matsuri to be held, Cosweek muna at the Okada Manila this coming at the end of October, and then following Cosplay Cosmeet, Cosplay Matsuri na naman after a year again. Okay, but December 28, 29, and 30, pero this time yung Cos Matsuri will happen on a Monday. It begins on a Monday and it ends on a Wednesday. So big day Cos Matsuri ulit tayo, so next year. So, and of course, ngayon pinapasok ko yung mga shoppers natin, as you can see. Sorry, excuse me. As expected, napakarami na ng mga tao, punong-puno na, medyo punong-puno na nga yung SMS, pero hindi ko alam kung nagbibenta mo ng tickets and all. Pero again, like we always we note na dito sa Cosplay Matsuri, bawal ang walang ticket. So you have to buy the ticket first before you enter at the SMX itself. So right now, punong-puno na ng mga cosplayers dito, event goers. The event has already ended. Yung programa mismo, wala nang nangyayari programa dito, but the selling, the booths and all are still ongoing, and it will end at around 8 p.m. or once we post this, it's already tapos na. So once we post this video, tapos na. Okay, so yun lang ating update sa ngayon mula dito sa Cosplay Matsuri. We will be back tomorrow, hopefully, with a short update, kasi hindi naman tayo masyado magtatagal bukas dahil nga we have a private event to attend to company editorial party. Yun. And of course, please log on to Dispatches for all the latest breaking news, updates, and especially we will break the guests of Cosplay Matsuri, Cosplay Carnival, once it's already announced here tomorrow in the afternoon. So, yan lang muna ang update muna dito sa labas dito sa SMS Convention Center Manila. Again, please follow on our social media platforms, and also log on to our website. It's now in the dry run phase. Dispatches at freedomstrikeph.net. Please email us writer.editor@dispatches.freedomstrikeph.net if you have any comments and suggestions. Red Mendoza, Dispatches, and that's the way it is.